Welcome to Dakota's Spooky Decor, and happy Halloween! I've got a super quick, super easy candy bowl project for you using a spider basket, a candy bowl from the Dollar Tree, these spider rings that I already cut the backs off of, and some paint and cotton balls. So I'm going to paint these spiders black really quick. I didn't want to do a colorful project for this one, so this was my only option because I couldn't find any black spiders or spider webs for that matter, but we'll get to that. I then did a quick dry brush of the white on the plastic basket, and I did coat it in a clear spray can top coat as well. While that's drying, I have this awesome Halloween wrapping paper that has a spider web pattern on it, so I glued some of that with some craft glue to the inside of my candy bowl. I did use too much glue, but that's okay. And I also needed a piece of cardboard to attach between the spider basket and the candy bowl itself. I should have cut it smaller than the candy jar, but that's okay, it still worked. I just have to add some more glue here and let it sit, and it's fine. Now I'm using polyfill because I had some lying around to kind of stuff it in the cracks at the bottom. My plan for this was different, but because I did go to 4 different stores and could not find any spider webs, I ended up just covering it with Mod Podge and cotton balls, and it still turned out pretty cute. I think it would have been better if I had the spider webs, that way I could have laid them over the entire thing, including the basket, the way I wanted to, but this is fine as well. It's still adorable and it serves its purpose. And all I'm doing is unrolling the cotton ball and then stretching it out over the Mod Podge, and it dried super fast. Wow, I cannot talk today. And of course, I got to add some spiders, and we're pretty much finished. That big one's from the Dollar Tree, and then we have all the little guys that I painted. And that is the super quick, super easy candy bowl. Here it is without the candy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that notification bell if you want to keep seeing some spooky projects pop up on your page. I think this is perfect for Halloween this year. I wonder if any little kids are not going to want to stick their hand in there because of the spider. I'm excited to see if I can scare anybody. And there it is with some candy in it too. It's super cute, super simple, very easy, and a lot of fun. Have a safe and happy Halloween. Stay spooky.